Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Barcelona, just walking around the city, enjoying the vibes, checking out the small stores, and just enjoying the day in this beautiful city. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video. Take care. Barcelona so far. This is basically the center. There's a lot going on in this area. There's a big fountain in the middle of the street. And then you have these hop on and hop off buses that you can take and tour the city. So there's a lot going on here. So we're tired now and we just hopped in a taxi. We're heading back to our hotel. We're staying outside of Barcelona, which is really nice, and it's about 20 minutes from the center of the city, and the taxi cost about 50 euros one way. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. We're almost there, heading to our hotel. This is a little bit more of Barcelona. It was a very productive day today. We went all over the city and now we're tired. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Please let me know in the comments what you think about the video, and I'll see you in the next video.